My name is Chase Sloan with Chasing Real Estate Group here at Keller Williams Pearland, and today I'm very excited because we're actually going to be talking to you guys about your plan to home ownership. And so who I have with me today is Jennifer Rader, who is one of our preferred in-house lenders, and also Tom Boyd, who is branch manager of Network Funding, which is one of the companies that we do work with here at Keller Williams Pearland. So real quick, Jennifer, if you can just introduce yourself to the group and just kind of tell them who you are and how long you've been in the business.
Sure. My name is Jennifer Rader, like she said, with Network Funding. I have been a loan officer for 9 years, and I enjoy what I do. It's different every single day, and it's challenging every day, but we love it. And the first step for you for your home ownership plan is to get your credit checked. We need to see where you stand and see where you're going to be so we can get you into a home, sooner than later.
Okay. So you said the first step is getting your credit check. And Tom, I know that we've talked, and that's kind of a scary thing for a lot of buyers, just kind of really starting with that first step to find out where you guys are. And Tom, maybe you can explain to us why that's important and what you see.
Sure. Everybody's had a nick on their credit for the last 2 or 3 years. Obviously, we've been through a tough time. The United States is an economy, and most people don't know what's on their credit. And we pull credit reports for free. We don't charge anything. We'd like to review that either on the phone or face to face and kind of go over whatever dings or issues there might be. A lot of things might be old and easily removed. Mm-hmm. And whether it's a 580 credit score or a 700 credit score, the first thing starts with a credit score, because then you kind of know what you need to do to get to home ownership. It might be a year away, but a lot of times it's only 90 days away.
Okay, so you said 580. So what if I am that buyer that is dealing with a credit score that's in the 500s? What's my plan? Where do I go after I call you?
We have an in-house credit repair specialist that's on our payroll at Network Funding, and she works at our corporate office here in Houston, and she works specifically with our branch. And so what she would do is she would actually call, introduce herself, and she would go over kind of the credit report with them and let them know what they need to do to get that cleaned up. And we have 5 or 6 companies that we deal with, and she's going to place them with one. And a lot of times, if it's old collections, old things that were done maybe back in college, those things can be removed in 60 days. Okay. Some things take up to 6 months, but a lot of times people, when they're going to walk into a lease situation, they just don't know, and you just don't know until we pull your credit report. So why not call today and get your credit report pulled for free?
Right. So you said something about a lease situation, and I know right now we all work with a lot of clients that are leasing, but with just everything that's going on with the interest rates and how much it actually costs to get in a home, chances are you can own something for about what you're paying in leasing. Is
Absolutely.
that correct?
Absolutely.
That's correct. On average here in the Houston area, I would say on a $175,000 house, you're probably going to be $1,500 or less per month, depending on the taxes in the area. Different parts of Houston have different levels of taxes, but why pay that in rent when you can buy a house?
Right.
That's the way we look at it.
Tax advantages are enormous. Obviously, if you've rented your whole life, you don't realize that you can write the interest off, you can write the taxes off on your income taxes, which is really the biggest deduction we have now. If you're a normal W-2 employee, and let's say you work at Walmart or something like that, or a car dealership, that's your biggest deduction you're ever going to get by far. Mm-hmm. So that's one more big advantage of being a homeowner versus a home leaser.
Okay. Well, as you guys see, we really want to be able to help you guys in just getting into your next home. And so it all begins with a plan, and we're here to help you get that plan started. So whether you're ready to go right now, or if you are just starting to think about becoming a homeowner, we encourage you to give us a call. Jennifer, how can they reach you if they want to just kind of see where they stand financially to purchase a home?
You can give me a call at 281-224-2976. You can also visit me at my website at www.jraderloans.com. I have a lot of helpful information out there, especially for first-time home buyers, on the website. So if you're a little afraid to call at first, take a look at the website, look at some of the questions and some of the answers on there, and then give me a call and we can get you started.
Awesome.
Don't believe what you see on TV. Call.
Call. And my number is 713-446-0291. It's been great talking to you guys. I hope you have a great rest of the day. All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.